We decided to have a burping contest. This is my boyfriend Eric. I'm Hallie, for all of you who know me. Love y'all, all of you. But, woo, hello. I just got soda on my leg. You know, that works too. But, burping contest with my boyfriend. Ready?
Yeah, let's see who wins.
You ready to lose?
Yeah.
Are you ready to lose?
Sure.
Okay. Mine was longer. You really chugged the whole fucking thing. Grab another. Might as well grab me another because I'm halfway gone on mine. Grab another soda. Grab me another.
Oh my god. Come on. Come on.
Goals, man. Having a burping contest with your boyfriend for YouTube. And for all of you who don't know about the Mountain Dew pick flavor, I picked this flavor. This stuff is amazing. This is the pitch black. Do you know about that?
Dude, but we can't pick both.
I know, right?
Don't puke.
Ooh, you want to go live on YouTube after we watch this?
No.
Oh, dude. I mean, we don't have to do this. We can like vape and just do whatever, but...
Only if I can put my tip on your tank.
Mm-mm.
Just for a second.
Mm-mm.
Dude, I will
my vape.
I will pay you to use it when...
Right. You're gonna pay me to use my vape.
I'm going to pay you to use my tap on your vape for a little bit. Just not even for a little bit, just for a couple hits.
Oh, by the way, for those of you who haven't signed the petition for, you know, vaping, please do. I mean, we all know that the FDA is not going to be able to pass the vape law, but still, everybody's signature counts. It's a vape, not a dick. Don't choke.
It's dry.
Nice one, smart shit.
You need more than
I know what the fuck I'm doing.
that. You're good.
There you go. You do realize I've been vaping for, what, a year and a half, almost 2 years?
This honeycomb thing works pretty good, actually.
I'm actually wearing my hair curly for the first time ever. Really? Well, you know, if you actually watch this, thanks. But, you know, bye, guys.